New Year countdown in Thailand. New Year countdown. It's midnight in Thailand, so from midnight the first Wednesday, January 1st, 2025. Happy New Year, everybody. So only just noise the whole Fang district or Fang city, Chiang, Thailand. Happy New Year, Happy New Year ท่านนะครับเนาะเมงกรานิเตบาสวัสดีปีใหม่ครับ up there. I saw airplane up there in the sky too. Airplanes in the sky. Take a video or picture. And video. Still. Pretty much just noise now because it's the whole city, around the whole city. I saw drones up there in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different drones in the sky. I saw 5 different drones in the sky. Just only this area, there's 5, 6 different drones I can see in the sky. Okay, everybody, Happy New Year's 2025. May God bless you all. สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่นะครับขอให้พระเจ้าอวยพระพรทุกท่านนะครับมิงกรานิติบาเนาะตุงเอเชียโลโก